welcome back to the channel. This is Heat RC. In this video we are going to be speed testing the Kagama. It's also its first run on tarmac and we'll do a little bit on sand. I have put 2 packs through this car already, so it is not brand new. It's had 2 packs of seriously heavy bashing, which it flew through with flying colours. So I'm just interested now with the standard setup, fresh 6S LiPo, what kind of speeds we're going to get. I'm thinking about 60 miles an hour. I'm not sure if the manual said 65. I don't know if I was reading it wrong. So I'm just going to see what we're going to get. So we are going to hook up the GPS and away we will go. All right, so we're track. We've got lots of satellites. Track start. Okay, we are hooking. Oh, I'm not set up ready for this Lambo. Everybody's wanting to race today. Kagama speed run. That was nowhere near full throttle, by the way. Whoa! Did you see those front tires? Oh my god. I think I need to tune the center diff. Oh! Oh no! 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 We just took out a bin. What? It loves it! I need to put the bin back up. Guys, that was extreme bin RCing. The car loves it. No, my beautiful body. Oh no, I was just about to say it wheelies so nice. Oh yeah, I put my camera mount on and the camera mount has saved the body. So there's a hack for you. Want to save your body? Camera mount. So I just had this little Leopard out, which is a cheapo car, half the price of this one. And let me tell you, this just so much smoother, and now I can run it all the way out there without worrying about losing range, which is just, that's priceless in itself. So let's come back. It likes that bin. Let's bring it in and see what we got. Because I trashed that bin. Oh my god. Alright. Super nice. This 185 amp ESC is sick. Super impressed. This thing is sick. That thing is sick. So crashing the car into a bin, guys, and the bin lost, and that thing was big. It wasn't heavy, but it was big. The bin seriously lost, and the car, nothing. It's all good, no damage. I can't believe it. Okay, so Kagama's killed the bin. Gonna get a bit of FPV footage with it, so I'm gonna be careful not to stand in backflip it. I love this car. Is there a big difference between this and something like that Leopard? Yeah, 100%. Just feels more refined, smoother, super punchy. God forbid if you put a bigger motor in this. Like as an RTR, this thing rips. Oh, camera. Yes, please, sir. Come back to where you're supposed to be, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Sandy Ridge. Nearly running myself over multiple times. Guys, this Kagama, I really can't say enough good things about it. It feels like a sledge. That's the best thing I can compare it to. But durability wise, my sledge just let me down. And although the power system in the sledge is decent, again, the power system in my sledge let me down. Everything broke on it. Hinge pins, fucking drive shafts. Whereas this thing is coming fully loaded. You get in sway bars when you don't get that with a sledge. You're getting a more powerful ESC and a similar motor. And for me, it just seems like a better value proposition. Now this does cut out pretty quick. I think it's I might change the low voltage cutout on it. I think it's coming in very early. I don't think we're overheating, but that's the end of that battery pack. Whereas the Leopard was lasting a lot longer. But we are talking here about a heavier truck with a bigger ESC 185 as opposed to 150. So the runtime I'm not getting as long. I'm just going to temp check it. And let's see what the crack is. $92, but the ESC is cold. 36. ESC is literally cold. Motor's warming up. So yeah, I think it must be low voltage. So what are we saying here, guys? As the premium option, but running in lower than a sledge or lower than a Creighton, the Kagama, for me, it's got to be. I'm into this car at the moment. Yeah, granted, we've had 3, maybe 4 packs through the car, so long-term durability we cannot fully comment on, but short-term durability and ability to destroy trash cans is well proven. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. This might be the same ending for both videos, so if you're seeing one car just been run and not the other, time to watch the next video, which will be out soon or out already. Go back and check in the videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Massively appreciate your support. Have a great day. This is Heat RC out.